Hi, this is your net jockey Gayatri welcoming you to this episode of Bangalore Live where we bring you the most hot and happening stuff in and around Bangalore. Okay, today we are going to be talking about the most ongoing craze in Bangalore, which is concerning Bollywood, which is the number one industry in our country. Bollywood songs and dance are a craze for each and every kid you find on the road. But these days, surprisingly, a lot of housewives and people of the middle age are also taking up Bollywood dancing because they think it's the most trendy way to keep hip and in fit. So a lot of health centers and high-tech health centers, they are bringing out Bollywood dance as one of the alternatives that they have in order to woo the health-conscious customers and to bring more sales. So Bangalore Live brings you the exclusive coverage for one such dance academy. Let's take a look. We got a couple of pretty young ladies who have been learning dance here. Let's go and ask them how they feel about the whole thing. Yeah.
I'm Rima.
Rima.
Shilpa.
Shilpa, what are you doing, Rima?
I'm basically a kindergarten teacher
You're a teacher.
and a housewife and a mom.
I'm a home baker and of course a mom, yeah.
Over here, just about 2 weeks.
2 weeks, same, we joined together.
How do you guys enjoy it?
Oh, I'm
It's good
thoroughly
fun.
enjoying it, yeah.
It's good fun.
So you come here for a workout or exercise, or is it only for dance?
It's,
To learn.
it's both, I think.
Yeah,
It's
so
both.
You've been burning calories here.
Trying to and enjoying the dancing too.
All right, all right. So do you give performances? Are you interested in giving performances?
No.
As long as it's closed doors with not too much public watching us. Just all in fun and within, yes, absolutely.
Another pretty young lady here. We'll ask her what she's up to here. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Srividya.
Srividya. What are you doing, Srividya?
I'm a housewife. I'm 41 years old. And basically, I joined the class to lose weight because I tried so many other ways of losing weight and I was not consistent. But dance was always my passion. And you won't believe me, in just 1.5 months, I've already lost, a weight and my inches also have come down. So I'm really excited about the class.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two sons, 12 years old and 18 years old.
So how do you manage your time dancing and then,
I send them to school and I'm here. So I manage house in the morning and the timing here is very convenient because it's in the afternoon, 12 to 1. So obviously there's no work other than to watch TV at this time. So this is the ideal time for me.
So is he very strict as a teacher or is he more like a friend?
He's more as a friend, in fact we bully him a lot. When he can't do the test, we tell him, no, we can't do that, just change it,
Okay, so he changes it according to your preference and all.
Yes.
And what do you think about his pace, the pace at which he moves the class?
It's absolutely good because we start off at a slow pace and then we take up speed. Because when you look at an exercise point of view also, so you do a cardio in the initial and then you do a fast number and then we do a very good cool down. So I don't have any ligament pain or a back pain when I go back home. I'm again fit to go about doing my normal work.
So all you viewers out there, I hope you enjoyed our coverage of AJ Dance Academy. We'll come back to you more with many such interesting stories and other coverages. Till then, it's Gayatri signing off.